Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here. Checking out the 2022 Harley Davidson Iron 883. So, I just picked this up in February. It is Gunship Gray. Get the sun so you can check it out. It's all blacked out. You can see my fresh paper plates there. Things I did to it so far, nothing major. The only thing I've done is the forward controls, because I am a 6-foot rider. So forward controls is a must. When I was actually driving it home, I was riding it home from Huntington Beach, Harley Davidson in OC, and then I rode it home to LA, so it wasn't really that much of a ride or anything, but my inner legs, inner thigh area, groin area started cramping up towards the end of the ride. But I mean, now with the forward controls, yeah, I don't feel that at all. Got plenty of room to stretch out. So left side forward controls. Another thing I did notice that when I was riding back from Costa Mesa, the suspension was a tiny bit rough. I am a bigger dude, so it was a little rough. So these Sportsters come with adjustable shocks. This thing was basically slammed down to the ground. There was barely any fender gap at all, but you know, that's the point. These bikes are geared towards new riders that are a lot smaller, so they want them to feel confident, and they want them to be able to flat foot the bike. So yeah, they slammed it to the ground, and all I did was crank it back up. These are adjustable. You actually do have a tool that is located underneath your seat. You can access it through this little screw right here. It takes off the whole seat, and then right underneath you're gonna see the shock adjustment tool. This one here is just the lock nut. This is the actual adjuster nut. So you loosen this, and then you tighten this all the way down to the bottom, or adjust it all the way down to the bottom. So giving you way better preload. I took it out after that, and it was actually pretty sick. Way different. It's like night and day with the riding. I mean, so much more comfortable. So much more comfortable. So yeah, that's pretty much it so far. I do have the are they Bitwell? No, I think they're Burley. I got the Burley 1-inch scrambler bars that I'm gonna toss on here with probably gonna go with some 6-inch risers first. I don't have the risers yet, that's why I haven't put them on yet. I might just put the bars on just to see how it is with the scrambler bars first, just to check it out, because it has less pullback, and it does bring it up like, I don't know, maybe an inch, not much, maybe 2 inches. But yeah, I'm gonna check that out, see how that goes. And then yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys don't know who I am Johnny Switchblade. I'm a crypto YouTuber. So if you guys want to check out my other channel, it's called Johnny Switchblade. If you guys are into crypto or investing, stuff like that, go ahead and check out my other channel. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. Check it out. Peace.